Good morning. In this video, I'll quickly show you how to use online compiler for C++. Although you have various options, you can include, you can actually use Visual Studio by Microsoft. And when you go to Visual Studio, you have many options to use. So let me share my screen here, and from there, I will indicate what exactly you need to do. Let me see if I can open up a browser here. And in this particular browser, let me go to, I'll share my screen in a second. So let me share my screen here. And I think you can see my screen here. I just basically Googled online compiler. And when you Google online compiler, you basically are able to see onlinegdb.com. There are many options available. This is one of them. This is the one I actually have been using, and I find it pretty stable. You can actually close various windows. These are ads here, and you should be able to make a larger screen. Typically, when you open onlinegdb.com website, it's going to look like this. This is a default program, and typically when you start learning a new programming language, it always begins with Hello World first program. And this particular program actually is fully functional. You can see the code is right there, some of the comments above there. You can delete those comments. This is what the program looks like. I also encourage you can use using namespace, std, semicolon at the end. By doing that, you don't have to put std with each one of these lines, especially for cout and cin for input and output purposes. So if I clear some of the things, this is a fully functional program. And feel free to give any spaces, be generous with those spaces for each one of those statements. You can run this program by clicking run. And this is how you can run the program. And when you run the program, the results will show up right here. As we expected, cout means a console out or display. It's displaying whatever it finds in the double quotes. So how easy it is to run a program. And for each project, project 1, 2, and onward, you will write the code based on the instructions. Once you feel that you meet the criteria, and you run the program, it gives you the expected results. Then you copy two things. You copy the code here. This is the code, assuming this is our fully functional project 1, assuming although project 1 has additional instructions and you have to follow those instructions by watching my recorded lecture. But assuming, let's say we have completed project 1 and I want to copy these statements or these piece of code into a CPP file, you can Control C, copy it. Then you have various options. You can dump this into a PDF or Word document or text document or anything else and save these lines of code as CPP file. How do you do that? By putting double quotes. So let's say you want to call this project project1.cpp. So when you hit save as, you put double quotes first, project 1, you can include your last name as well, project1.cpp and double quotes close. What will happen, it will save that particular file in any environment as CPP file. That's option 1. If you're unable to save as CPP file, you can still upload a PDF file or Word document or any other readable file which I can access and look at your code. This is required. Without your code, I am unable to test your program and run your program. So please, this is one of those files you have to upload. The second file is this file here. It's the screenshot. Now, screenshot of the running program, screenshot of your results. Now, of course, this is not the full criteria for project 1. In the project 1, we are not displaying hello world. This is just a sample program. But assuming that if my fully functional project 1 is displaying the results, then you can actually capture a screenshot. Now, how do you capture it? There are many, many different ways. There might be a snipping tool. There might be a print screen. Whatever options you have available or you're aware, you need to capture the screenshot. Now, if you're unable to capture screenshot from a installed program, then at least take a picture from your camera, from your phone, and upload that picture as well. So those are the two files you need to upload. The first file is your CPP file, the code. The second file is this picture of the screenshot or picture of your results or the screenshot of your results. That's what I meant. So those are the two files must be uploaded in order for me to grade your project. If you're missing one of those files, either you will not be graded if CPP file is missing, or if your screenshot is missing, you will not get full credit. I hope this makes sense. This short video will help you to tweak your program accordingly and upload project one and all other future projects. I hope this helps. Thank you.